biggest Samsung update wave is coming. Samsung is about to shake things up in September with a massive One UI 8, Android 16 rollout. Yes, the stable update is finally on the way, and this time, it's not just for the Galaxy S25 series. The company has officially confirmed that the stable One UI 8 update starts in September, first landing on the Galaxy S25 series. But here's the exciting part. Other flagship and mid-range devices are also joining the party this month. According to Samsung's recent announcement, the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are next in line since they entered beta testing earlier in August. Even more surprising, the Galaxy A56 5G might skip beta altogether and directly jump to the stable update in September. Samsung did something similar last year with the Galaxy A55 during the One UI 7 rollout, so expectations are high that the A56 will be prioritized again. On top of that, Samsung confirmed close collaboration with Google's Android team, which made it possible for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE to ship out of the box with Android 16 pre-installed. After last year's delays with One UI 7, Samsung is finally back on track with its usual fast upgrade timeline. Millions of Galaxy users have been waiting for this comeback, and it looks like September is going to be a game changer. So if you own a Galaxy S25, S24, Z Flip, Z Fold, or even an A-series phone, get ready, your big update might be just around the corner. Don't miss any updates. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest Samsung One UI 8 news, tips, and hidden features. And if you're hyped for the update, drop a comment below with your device name.